What's going on, guys? It's Ryan here. Today, I'm going to show you how to got taken out. I found a way how to get it back, though. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on Save the World. Then you click on Save the World to Map, and you want to go up to your home base. So after you get into the lobby, press Map, loading in, and to you get there, just build around and do whatever you want. Box. So save the world. Sandbox. So get it. And you can play with your friends every day and do whatever you want. Enjoy the video. Like, video, subscribe if you haven't. Anyway, goodbye.